The water cycle. Water is present in rivers, lakes, ponds, and oceans. Due to the heat of the sun, water evaporates and changes into water vapor. The water vapor cools down and forms droplets of water. Water droplets join together to form clouds. When the clouds become heavy that they are not able to hold further, these water droplets come down as rain. The rainwater reaches the rivers, lakes, and oceans. Again, the heat of the sun evaporates water, which then form clouds. The clouds then bring rain, and the cycle continues.